Hi guys, today we are going to see how to use Burpsuite tool. It means now we are in the session of vulnerability assessment. We have seen Burpsuite tool and Skipfish tool. Now we are going to see how to use Burpsuite tool. Before that, if you want to be a perfect penetration tester, please follow all my videos and don't miss in the middle of the video. This video about introduction of Burpsuite. It means what is Burpsuite, how many editions are there, why the Burpsuite is best and to whom it is. So these all things we are going to cover in the theoretical part. So what is Burpsuite? Burpsuite is one of the most and widely used web application security software in the world. So Burpsuite comes as 3 editions. Those are Burpsuite Professional, Burpsuite Enterprise Edition, Burpsuite Community Edition. What is Burpsuite Professional and what is Burpsuite Enterprise Edition and who is Community Edition? We will see the next. So what is Burpsuite Enterprise Edition? Burpsuite Enterprise Edition have much features on scanning a web application, and it has so many advanced features for the cybersecurity analyst. So this edition is much costlier than the Burpsuite. It means it has $4,000 we have to pay to purchase this tool, and the Burpsuite Professional we have to pay $399 to purchase. So now we are going to use the Burpsuite penetration testing purpose. So Burpsuite Professional is one of the best tool for the bug bounty programmers, those who do bug bounty, and they will earn good amount of money. So now see what is Burpsuite Professional. Burpsuite Professional is an advanced set of tools for testing web security, all within a single product, from a basic interception proxy to a cutting edge of vulnerability scanner. And it also called a Swiss Army knife for hackers. This is about the Burpsuite Professional. Small description. And what is Burpsuite Community Edition? So this is our part. Guys, we can download Burpsuite Community Edition free of charge. This includes the essential manual tools from the Burpsuite platform. However, some of the features are restricted to paying users only. So Burpsuite Community Edition is a free of cost. We can use for the penetration testing, and it has many features are available. Those are enabled for the basic beginners. It is enough for the beginning stage. We can also use somewhat of advanced techniques also. Burpsuite is a Java-based penetration testing framework and used by security professionals to identify attack vectors, also called as interception proxy, supported platforms like Linux, Mac, and Windows. So guys, Burpsuite have many features. We will see few of them. So interception proxy, automatic security scan, manipulating HTTP, HTTPS requests, brute forcing credentials, crawling and spidering external applications from force triggers, and many things. So this is about the Burpsuite. Guys, this is about the introduction part, and next series we will cover the practical of installation part of the Burpsuite. So thank you guys, and thank you for your support.